Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Miran, and I'm a first-year student of business. I'm going to present you today with a project that I've been working on for the past 2 years, and it's called MyFirstWorld. Before I explain exactly the concept, I'd like to ask you a few questions. Please raise your hand if you recognize one of these companies. Okay, good. So, Virtual Worlds is an online gaming field that is gaining a lot of popularity over the past few years, with thousands of Virtual World websites worldwide. Website building platforms. Do you know this company? Okay, so for example, Wix is a huge Israeli success story. Social networks, I'm sure you all know. So what MyFirstWorld does is combining these three elements of virtual worlds, website building platforms, and social networks into one system in which you can easily create your own virtual world website. And within the next few minutes, I'll demonstrate exactly how it works. This is MyFirstWorld's homepage, and when you get to the website, you can choose if you want to sign up using your email or your Facebook account. On the next step, you need to fill in the basic information about your website. You need to choose the website URL, name, and write a short description. You will then be able to choose from many different types of designs, and all the designs were designs for kids. So for example, we have a fairy tale world, pirates world, magic world, but let's say for example that you want to choose a space design. So all you need to do is just click on the design, and within minutes you'll have your own virtual world website with avatars, games, quests, virtual shops, and many more. So up until now I've talked about the elements of creating the website and the virtual world elements. But what makes MyFirstWorld social is that when you create a website, you'll send it to your friends, and they will invite their friends. And together you'll create a social and interactive place where your friends can meet up, chat with each other, play, and explore the different parts of your website together. Let's talk a little about the numbers. As I earlier mentioned, MyFirstWorld is an already up and running business with over 170,000 users worldwide. Most of them are from the United States and from Israel, but there's also a French and Spanish version of the website, and the numbers are still growing. What are the future plannings? Right now, I'm focusing on these 4 fields, which are 1. Globalization. Expand to as many new countries and to new markets as possible. 2. Technology. Create a mobile, iPhone, and an Android version of the website. 3. Design and UI. Work on the overall design, the user interface, and the user experience. And 4. Marketing, especially social media marketing. These are my contact information, and I'm looking for anyone who thinks that he can contribute to this project. So if you have any feedbacks, comments, ideas, if you're a marketing expert, if you're an iPhone developer, or if you think that you can contribute to this project in any other way, I would be happy to discuss it with you. Thank you, everyone.